morning, student. Today our topic of discussion is soil from your geography subject, and chapter name is resource and development. Now what do you mean by soil? Soil is a very important renewable natural resource which we found in our earth, and it is the topmost layer of the earth. Now, here question arises, how soil form? Actually, it takes millions of years to form up to few centimeter in diameter. Now, if we talk about the soil forming processes or how soil form, then if we discuss about soil profile, then we understand the process of soil formation or how soil form. Here we found in soil profile 3 layers, that is A, B and C. Now what do you mean by soil profile? A vertical section of the different layers of the soil, simply known as soil profile. A layer which is known as topsoil, then B layer which is known as subsoil, which is lie, that means B layer which is lie just below the A layer, and C layer which is known as substratum. And which is lie just below the B layer. Now, in C layer, we found different breakdown boulders which coming from parent rock. Now, what do you mean by parent rock? Parent means what? Mother or father. Now, here in this case, parent rock means the materials from which rock has developed. Now, in C layer, parent rock means it coming from, it may be igneous rock, parent rock, it may be sedimentary rock, it may be metamorphic rock. Now through the process of weathering and erosion, these rocks break down into boulders in C layer. So we found here boulders, big boulders. Now these boulders, now student, here I am dividing all the breakdown materials on the basis of rock size. First one is boulder, second one is pebble, third one is sand and silt, and fourth one is clay. I divided all the breakdown materials on the basis of rock size. That means boulders are larger than pebbles, pebbles are larger than sand and silt, and sand and silt is larger than clay. Now, it is very much important that in C layer we found boulder which coming from what? Parent rock through the process of weathering or erosion. Now, in B layer we found further breakdown of boulders into smaller pieces. That means we found in pebble and sand and silt. Then in this layer we found pebble and sand and silt which is smaller than boulders. So here we found boulder, then further breakdown of boulders we found pebble, sand and silt through the process of weathering and erosion. Next, here we found further breakdown of pebble, sand and silt. We found here clay type materials. This is very small than pebble and sand silt. That means the materials which was found in A layer are smaller in size in comparison to B. Now next, in A layer we found that humus also added in the material. Now humus, what do you mean by humus? Decomposed plant remains and animals, simply called as humification. So through the process of humification, here humus is added in the materials. and this layer become fertile soil, which is very important for plant growth. So here in this A layer we found plant growth. So in B layer humus is not present, in C layer humus is not present. For this reason these two layers are not applicable for plant growth. Where plant growth? In A layer where humus is found. That means where decomposed plant materials and animals are added. Next, here I present some factors which are involved in the soil forming process. First one is climate. Second one is relief. And third one is time. There are many factors are responsible for soil formation, but presently I am just presenting here 3 important factors. And here I am present some processes which are involved in soil formation. First one is what? Weathering. Second one is erosion. Third one is alluviation. The process alluviation we found in B layer. Then fourth is alluviation. And fifth is humification. This last two one, that is alluviation and humification, these last two process are involved in A layer. So these are the 3 layers and simply a soil profile, a vertical section of the different layers of the soil. Thank you.